So today, Alan surprised me by booking an Airbnb. I don't really know what he has planned, but I am packing. Peaches gets to come with. This is a mirror and she's staring at me right now. Hold on, let me see if you can see her. There she is. And we are packing because I have to leave in a couple minutes and I'm gonna go pick up lunch for us. So let's get to packing. I'm gonna bring my laptop. It's an essential. This is the only backpack I ever use to go anywhere. I bring it with me literally everywhere I travel, regardless of where. And it is the Béis backpack. I love it. As you can tell, she is used and she is dirty, but I bring it everywhere. The reason I like it is because it opens up like a luggage. So when you unzip, it literally opens up like this and all my stuff is inside. This is also the Béis toiletries bag. I am fully Béised out at all times. And then the only other thing that I'm gonna bring is my little Fuji. I love this camera. I brought it with me to Korea and Japan. I bought it in 2019 and they no longer make this version. I think now they make like a slightly more advanced version, but it's just so thin and perfect. And I love the film simulations on this camera, so I always bring it with me when I go places, but it's my little baby. I'm gonna finish up packing and then I gotta go.
Feels like forever, noticing everything, like the hair on the wall, food on the office table from last week. Parties are gone, weekends are ruined, can't even handle myself. It's been going too long, more than a nuisance. What has it done to the world?
You wanna go out? She'll like walk over and like stuff on the dirt and then she's like, yeah, I'm good. And then she turns around. I like walked into the field and I call her and she's just like sniffing around the cement to see how far it goes. And she like doesn't walk any further.
She doesn't like the dirt.
No. She's like, this life is not for me.
Yeah. Really, what is like You set the timer? Alright.
What's on the menu, chef?
Oh. No.
What's on the menu? We got salmon. What's underneath the salmon?
Pea mash.
Pea mash. We had what kind of potatoes are these?
I don't know. They're called fondant potatoes.
Fondant.
Yeah, I don't even know if I'm saying it right.
And this?
Tuna tartare.
Alan started at 7, and it's now 9:28. Well, roughly 7. No, actually, it started at like 6:30. You can't even see it. That's okay. Anyways, we're gonna taste test. We'll do this first. What? Should I not do this first?
No, I don't know how to.
I'm just gonna like dig into it with the chip.
Is everything a dream?
Cheers.
I don't know what this means. Time has been slow, it seems.
That really is supposed to go straight down the middle.
Your face
Like butter.
Blame the 19. So many different
I don't think it tastes like guac.
growing from what I've seen. Everything's one routine.
Oh, it's good. It's good.
Potatoes are good.
The salmon is really good.
Oh.
Is it?
It's fine. Also, you can eat salmon raw. Potatoes are good. Good job.
Oh,
Did you impress yourself?
no.
I honestly don't mind this. I think it adds like a nice touch to the salmon. No, I like parsley. I don't mind, but it's good, you guys. We're all packed up. Right, buddy? Buddy! She's staring. That is it for this vlog, I guess. We're gonna drive home now. Where are we gonna get lunch? Oh yeah, we could just leave her at the house. This is all I have for close-up. Alrighty, we're gonna pack up and get on the road.
All of 19.